Hi planner friends, welcome back to Planner Cookie Mama. Today I'm going to be planning in my mini from the 9th through to the 15th of March, and I'm going to be using a kit from Pinky's Stickers that is called Boss Babe. So what I'm going to do first is just what I always do, take out the pages and put my planner to the side. And first up I'm going to pop down my side washi here. So there will be parts of this that I will go ahead and speed up, and then there are other parts that I'll just speak through. Alright, so what I did with this side is I actually trimmed it, because when I was originally cutting it, I'd made the edge all scraggy and it wasn't very nice, so I just sorted that. So I actually really like this kit because it's starting to sort of lean towards springtime with the flowers and stuff, but it's not too in your face because it is only March, and let's face it, especially in Scotland, I mean, we have winter up until like May, so I thought this was a nice kit to start easing into to spring. So I'm going to pop down the top washi now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop down these first, these little side, just deco boxes. Yeah, I need to put these down first because when I put down the headers along here, sometimes these are slightly too long and they go over the top, so it doesn't look very good. So the reason that I tend to put down decorative boxes in this planner is because I don't use it for an awful lot. I just tend to use it for, well, I do use it just for college and my daughter's homework, so I don't need all that space, so it's handy just to take up some of the space with the deco boxes. It just makes it look nicer. And then I'm going to pop down this deco box, this big deco box. Whoops, that's extremely not straight. There we go. Alright, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put down the washi strips for along the headers. And next up I'm going to pop down my weekend banner. Now this was a pain in the backside to cut, this was, because usually my weekend banners are either straight or they're like they're triangular, whereas here they were they're curved, and it took me forever to cut that. Alright, I'm going to pop down the day headers now. So on Sunday, my daughter there's a birthday party for one of her friends at school. So we're going to stick that in there. She has an appointment with the opticians on Saturday. Whoops. And I'm going to use this little doctor's sticker from One Crafty Country Girl. Even though it's an optician's appointment, I'm still going to use it. Oh, and forgetting a sticker, hang on. She is with her dad after school on Wednesday. No, she's not. No, she's not. No, she's not. She's not. It was supposed to be on Wednesday, but it's now on Thursday because I have to stay in college late on Thursday. So pop that there. I have an appointment on Thursday as well as college, so things are going to be a bit hectic for me on Thursday. Pop that there. I have a test on Thursday. I also have a test on Tuesday after college. Friday is college payday. Just going to actually pop them in there. College, college, college. Wednesday is volunteer day. And Monday is study day. So I'm just going to go ahead now and write in my actual plans. But first up, I'm going to put the dates in. Right, so that is all the plans that I have at the moment. Obviously, as the week goes on, I will fill in other plans that I have and my daughter's homework and stuff like that as well. So as always guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. As always, I will leave a link in the description down below to the kit I used, as well as my Instagram, One Crafty Country Girl's Instagram, and One Crafty Country Girl's website, where you can see all of these lovely stickers. These two test stickers are actually from Happy Cutie Studio, and I'll also leave a link in the description to her shop as well. So until next time guys, happy planning. Bye!